So today I'm trying Charlotte Tilbury's foundation. I really love their products. It's really nice. It really fits. It really looks great on my skin. And I have very oily skin. So here it says, beautiful skin for your best healthy looking skin day every day. So it's like a light to medium coverage foundation, an everyday wearable foundation. It says here, undetectable coverage, improves the look of your skin with each wear, clinically proven results, boost hydration, skin looks plumper, smoother, up to 181%, minimize the appearance of pores, reduce the appearance of pigmentation and dark spots, and the skin instantly appears brighter. So I've been using the Flawless Face Foundation in shade 15N. So I went and ordered the same shade in this, which looks about right. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. So let's just get right into it. So I haven't prepped my skin yet, so I'm just gonna use the Magic Cream. And I've been using this cream a lot lately. It just gives good moisture and a nice glow to the skin. It's been feeling really nice lately. I bought a few things. I also bought this Wonder Glow primer. I bought the travel size. My skin is normally like an oily combination skin tone. So I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna use a different primer for my T-zone just to see how long it wears and how it stays on the skin. It feels nice. It gives a nice glow too. It gives a nice glow. But yeah. And then I'm just gonna go on with my Becca and my T-zone because I'm extremely oily. I'm just holding on to dear life for the little bit that I have of this. So yeah. I also bought the color corrector in 4 Deep. This is like a really orange color corrector. I'm dying to see how this would look. So I'm just gonna, ooh. Only needs a little bit, huh? Just gonna put a little there, a little there. This is where I have darkness. This is nice. And a little bit goes a long way. Whew. All right, so let's see how this works. It feels super light. It's not heavy whatsoever. The color looks good. Okay. The color looks really good. Normally foundations feel super heavy, but this feels very light, but it's giving coverage. It's giving a good coverage. I tend to go all over and apply it. Now lately she has not been disappointing. I've been really loving her products. I bought literally almost all the popular items. I have the powder, I have the bronzer. But I really like this. Hold on, let me get a closer look. Ooh. Yeah, this looks nice. And it looks like skin, it looks very natural. Alright, so let me just finish up the rest of my face and then I'll come back on camera. Okay, so I'm back. And overall, it looks really good. Like, I really love. It looks very soft, very lightweight, very natural. So we're gonna do a wear test and we're gonna see how it looks. Right now, it's the evening time. It's 5:38 p.m. So we're just gonna wear this for a few hours and just see how it's gonna look. But so far, yeah, it looks really nice. It's very smooth, very lightweight, good coverage. And I just did my regular foundation, put the foundation, do my regular concealer and my regular makeup. But yeah, so let's see in a few hours how it wears and then I come back, okay? Okay, so I'm back. So it looks pretty good. I mean, normally I'm oily hair, so that's normal, but it looks pretty good. Right now it is 10:15, so only been a few hours, like a little less than 5 hours, and it's pretty nice. I'm gonna do a full review tomorrow morning. Well, tomorrow, I'm gonna do a full review tomorrow. I'm gonna wear it for a longer period of time, but it's really, really nice. But yeah, so I see you guys tomorrow and you guys can see the full look. Yeah. Okay, so today's day 2. I'm just gonna see how it wears again. So right now is 1:48. I just finished doing my makeup. So I have a lot of errands to do today. I want to get my nails done and go out and do some little other errands. So I'm gonna come back tonight and see how long it wears. But yesterday, just to recap, yesterday it was really nice. I normally get oily around the T-zone, that's normal, but it really looked nice. It held up. It did not oxidize whatsoever, and it looks flawless. Like, it's still lightweight, it still gives coverage. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin whatsoever. It looks airbrushed. So yeah, so I'm loving it so far. This might be my go-to foundation for now, but we're gonna recap later on and I tell you the final results tonight. But so far, perfect. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It looks really good, really smooth, really nice. So yes, I'll come back later. Now it's 11, and from earlier this afternoon, it held pretty well. I'm really liking this foundation. It's really nice. Normally I'm oily, super oily, and I'm oily here in the T-zone. which is fine, but this foundation held up very nicely. It looks very natural. It's very light. And I think this is going to be my new go-to foundation. So yes, would I recommend this foundation? Yes, it's a good must-have foundation for medium coverage. It's not a full coverage, medium to light. And it wears pretty well. So yes, I recommend this. And I'm just going to end out the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this, more makeup, more tips, more fashion, more business. And yeah, it looks really good. Okay, Charlotte Tilbury, okay. Yeah, I've been loving her products lately. Her products have been very nice. It looks very good on the skin. It gives a nice, smooth, flawless look. So, yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you soon.